What's going on YouTube? Today we're just gonna go over how to make your X trimmer a little quieter if it ever gets loud. I had someone comment asking, or basically telling me that their trimmer got loud, and I had it happen to me too after. So we have the spring and this assembly. We're gonna put that on the blade. Here, let's zoom in. So you just line up the holes and you make sure that spring is really on there. I'm going to tighten this all the way coming up the blade. Pick a side and just lift it up over the blade. Take a couple tries, but you see that? I got one side on. It's really rough, but that's how I get the blade back on and make sure it gets on there nicely. Now if your blade is still loud after that, you might have dropped it. You might have, maybe tightened the screws too tight and broke the plastic a little bit. Now these brushless motors shouldn't be getting loud. Over time, of course, they're gonna get a little louder, but anything that's like super loud shouldn't be happening to them. It shouldn't happen with the motor unless you drop it. Now if you drop it, that's on you. You need to go buy a new one, but sometimes trimmers can just be out of hand sometimes. And if this video helped you at all, please make sure you subscribe, and shout out to the commenter that helped me come up with the idea to make this video.